G'day folks, Professor G here. Flowers aren't just beautiful, they're also powerful herbs. Floral teas have been enjoyed for centuries in traditional medicine, supporting everything from stress relief to immunity. Today, we'll explore 6 classic floral herbal teas and their amazing health benefits. Before we start, if you like videos about herbal teas, hit like and subscribe to our channel. Lavender tea is famous for its calming aroma and gentle sedative properties. Studies show lavender may reduce anxiety, lower heart rate, and improve sleep quality. In herbal medicine, it's often recommended for restlessness, headaches, and mild insomnia. Rose petal tea has a delicate floral flavor and is rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols and vitamin C. Traditionally, it's used to uplift mood, support glowing skin, and ease digestive discomfort. Its soothing aroma also helps reduce stress and tension. Jasmine flowers are often blended into herbal teas for their enchanting fragrance. Unlike jasmine green tea, pure jasmine herbal blends are caffeine-free. They're used to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and create a calming, uplifting tea experience. In traditional Chinese medicine, chrysanthemum tea is considered cooling, making it ideal for reducing heat in the body. It's often used for soothing headaches, eye strain, fever, and mild respiratory issues. Research shows it's rich in flavonoids and may support cardiovascular health as well. Elderflower tea is a traditional remedy for colds and flu. It has antiviral and anti-inflammatory properties, helping to support the immune system and ease respiratory symptoms like congestion and sore throats. It's also mildly diuretic, supporting detoxification. Calendula, or Marigold tea, has been used for centuries as a healing herb. Its bright orange petals contain compounds that support wound healing, reduce inflammation, and soothe the digestive tract. Many herbalists recommend calendula tea for skin health, menstrual comfort, and gentle detox. These 6 floral herbal teas don't just delight the senses, they also offer real medicinal benefits, from calming your nerves to boosting immunity. Please remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes only, and it's not medical advice. Always check with your doctor before using herbal teas for health concerns. Thank you so much for watching the video. Let us know in the comments which one you will try first. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more herbal tea wisdom.